Sigurado ako ang daming sa inyo excited. In-announce na ang world's #1 wearable 6 version. Andito sa kamay ko, it's the Mi Band 6. And alam natin, no, ang daming bumili nito. Mi Band 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ilang buwan nakaraan, in-unbox natin to, no? Parang medyo may kunting kabilisan maglabas si Xiaomi lately, no? Anyways, unbox muna natin para makita natin ang ganda nitong Mi Band 6. So hi guys, ako pala si Richmond and welcome back to my channel. So nandito na sa kamay ko ang Mi Band 6. So kita natin, the watch face is all new. And of course, tara, i-walk through ko kayo kung paano gamitin itong Mi Band, ano mga features na meron niya, and paano rin magpalit ng watch face. Let's go! So we've just witnessed the unboxing of the Mi Band 6. This is the latest iteration of your favorite Mi Band series, and it is the world's #1 fitness band from Xiaomi. So you can see the design is still almost the same as that of the Mi Band 5. I think nothing has changed based on the design. And yeah, I've been wearing my Mi Band 5 since its release and I don't see any changes based on aesthetics. So right now, one thing to try out is to exchange the strap of my Mi Band 5, which is this one, and this is the Mi Band 6. So right now, I'll take off the capsule on my Mi Band 5, then insert the Mi Band 6. Let's see if it works. Okay, so you can see that it fits perfectly. The Mi Band 5 strap have several of it and colorful, from yellow to blue to orange to green, and yeah, it just fit perfectly on my Mi Band 6. So It is confirmed that the Mi Band 5 strap works on the Mi Band 6 and probably vice versa. One thing to check if it's vice versa is to try it out. Okay, so yes, it is exactly the same. So interchangeable Mi Band 5 and Mi Band 6 straps. Yes, sir. So let's just compare it side by side. As we can see on the band display clearly that this one utilized the full screen, while this one you still have the bezel at the bottom, which is your home button here. Okay, so this one they have removed the home button, so all you need to do is slide left and right just to go back to home screen, and it's a little bit more of course maximizing your screen size. It is of course definitely better. Now so let's focus ourselves on the Mi Band 6. So this is my watch face. This is the default watch face. So swiping up, you have your status, your PAI, your heart rate, your SpO2, your notification, and your workout history, stress monitoring, breathing, events, alarm, weather, music, and world clock. Let's check the settings. You can change your band display, do not disturb. You can calibrate your brightness, lock screen, and everything is probably here. Factory reset. Going back, you just need to simply swipe from the left to the right. Now, checking more, we have can play with your camera, shutter button, stopwatch timer, find device, and swiping down is the same as swiping up. Let's see how about swiping left and right. Swiping to the left, you have your music, your weather report, and nothing else. So how about swiping to the left? Okay, you have your weather and your music. So yeah, it's basically swiping left and right is almost the same. Now let's try to take a quick look at some workout modes. So we have some outdoor running, treadmill, walking, cycling, rowing machine, elliptical, swimming, of course, yoga, jumping rope, freestyle, and a lot more. So there's a lot to choose from here, depending on your workout. So yeah, it's best during this pandemic that you have something like this. Then you can track your workout history here. You can check your stress, how stressful you are. So breathing pattern, it's roughly almost the same as that from the Mi Band 5, except that I really like the display. It's a lot more brighter. It's a bigger screen. So how about let's change our watch face. So to change our watch face, all you need to do is press the long press on the home screen, swipe up. Okay, so we can, okay, so we have here a customized home screen watch face, which you can freely get on your app, on your Mi Fit app. Just click the store and you can select one of these. Now to try to change my watch face on my Mi Band 5. Now this is as big as it gets on the Mi Band 5, wherein this one you can maximize the screen, the full screen. Okay, so that's probably the main difference of the two bands. Okay, so you can flaunt your design. It's a lot better. Now you can also customize your screen based on what you want, any picture that you want. So I've customized one of my screen here, so you can see that Xiaomi founder CEO is here on my watch face. So Legion is here. You can see the full screen dedicated just for him. You can have a full-size body here, which is pretty nice, don't you think? Now, like I told you, there's a lot of watch face you can select here on the Mi Fit app. You can really change every day, every other day, every week. It depends on you. I can see that this is a lot more. compared to the Mi Band 5. The Mi Band 5, I have just a little bit limited selection, and this is what I can do with my Mi Band 6. So yeah, I can check my store, notification, vibration, health monitoring, band settings. Of course, put some reminders, check the weather. I can turn now here are some other settings that you want to check. Find your band, of course, activity heart rate sharing. You can of course monitor your sleep analysis, but your battery consumption will all depends on these settings. So one of my favorite thing to set is lift wrist to view info. It's quite hard if I'm holding something on my right hand, and when I lift my left hand and yeah, no display is shown, it is very important to turn this on. Well, you can switch it to DND mode during the night so it won't turn on when you're sleeping. And there's a lot of things to customize and play with this band. Now, let's slap this Mi Band 5 on my wrist and let's see how good it looks. See how good it is. Okay, so it's almost the same as my Mi Band 5, except that I really like the new band display on this one, which gives me a full screen. Only that I just really need to get a little bit used to this one, since normally I would press the home button to go back, but this time around I just need to swipe left and right, and that's just it. So let's try to take a quick look on some heart monitoring. Let's go for SpO2. Okay, so we can see that my SpO2 is 88%, which is still within range. Okay, so pretty nice stats. So walking around, taking some swim, going for some light walk, jogging, hitting the gym, it's nice to really have your Mi Band on your wrist. Whether you sleep, whether you eat, I always have this on my wrist. And of course, it's very important for me to check my time, some notification. Also, I can control my music playback, and of course, to press that camera shutter button here on my Mi Band 6. And my favorite thing to do is, of course, hit the pool. So how about let's dip it just to take a look. Okay, so let's take a dip. And of course, it's a Mi Band, so I expect nothing less, but really waterproof design. So, do you like this band? What can you say? So guys, nakita na natin ang kakayahan nitong bagong Mi Band 6. Ang ganda, yung display niya nagbago from 1.1 inch over from the Mi Band 5. Ngayon, ang laki na ng display size niya 1.56. Meron lang ako gusto i-share sa inyo Yung bunso kong anak, siyang humahawak kasi ng Mi Band 5 ko. Sabi niya, "Pa, bakit tong Mi Band 5 hindi kaya full screen display? Bakit meron siyang parang chamfer sa ilalim at may chamfer sa ibabaw? Parang sayang naman yung screen." Napaisip ako, anak, baka Mi Band 7 pa siguro. Saka magkakaroon ng full screen display. Aba, narinig ata siya ni Xiaomi. Ginawa ni Xiaomi ngayon full screen na. Natuwa yung bata. Siya na tuloy magmamana na ito, ang Mi Band 6 ko. Anyway guys, meron akong announcement at may giveaway tayo today dito sa video na ito. It's the Mi Band 5. So all you have to do is very, very simple. Comment on the comment section below kung ano nagustuhan nyo dito sa bagong Mi Band 6. That's one. Second, use the hashtag Gadget Sidekick giveaways. And third, share this video. Ganun na kasimple. We'll be drawing this in 2 weeks time. And I hope sumali kayo. And don't forget also to put your email address para makapag-contact ako sa inyo kung nanalo kayo. Another important announcement would be on the description box below. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo dito sa video na to. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi na ma-miss ang mga future reviews ko dito sa aking channel. Sana makita-kita ulit tayo sa aking susunod na video. Stay safe, stay home.